Hey guys, Patrick of HB Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at 146 Sapphire Circle in Guyton, Georgia. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2,875 square feet, offered at $519,900. Let's check this beautiful home out. All right, so there's the front of the home, as you can see. Beautiful, I like the color. When you come around here, you look, this neighborhood is great. And it's in Guyton, quiet neighborhood. We got the brick kind of frontage. You know, all kinds of cool little details in here. Let's check this out. So you got the porch right there. You can put rocking chairs and stuff. That'd be sweet. Come in here, boom. You know what I love about this one? The coffered ceilings. I can never get enough of them. When I see them, I'm just blown away by them. They look so great. But here's the dining room, formal dining room right here. As soon as you walk in the door, you can get into the kitchen that way, but we're gonna go around. Let's go this way. Boom. Love this. Look at this wide open space. I mean, tons of room for entertaining. That's an electric fireplace right there. Granite countertops right there. We got a cooktop and a double oven and a microwave and stainless steel refrigerator. Everything's stainless steel, as you can see. I love that. Corner pantry, which is also great because, you know, you can fit a lot of stuff in the corner pantry. That's your entrance into the dining room if you want to go in there. But come in here, your little dining nook right there, so you can just eat while looking out the back of your yard. And that's a nice yard right there. We're gonna get out there in a second. But rounded archway coming through here. Now this place is really cool, okay? So in here is the guest area. So it's a mud room for the garage, with side entry garage, which we're not gonna go into because all their stuff is there because they're moving, okay? But then you got a little place to put your shoes, jackets, all that stuff. For me, it'd be hats, because I love hats. But here's the guest bedroom down here. Perfect, because it's on the first floor. You know, they're not gonna go upstairs and see, you know, what's going on upstairs. You got privacy if you have any guests. And then they have their own full bathroom here. You got a granite countertop, shower tub combo. Love that, tile flooring. Like I said, we're not gonna go in the garage because it's full of their stuff. But here's the little closet underneath the stairs. It's great. And let's go upstairs. All right, we're at the top of the stairs, as you can see. All right, stairs are carpeted. It's good for non-slippage. But I kind of want to take you into this primary bedroom because it's really cool. It starts here and then it comes all the way around over there. And I'm going to show you that real quick. So as we go in here, look at this. Love that. Look at the ceiling, it's cool. I love the accent wall. And then look at that. I love what they did there with the shiplap. All right, nice size, huge king size bed all day. Like all day and all the furniture you could possibly want. All right, come in here, dual vanity. Love that big dual vanity too. This is not like two sinks right next to each other. You got plenty of space. You got separate tub and standing shower, love that. Then a closet for bathroom necessities. And then this closet, wow, okay. Look at this. You walk in here, it's like another room. You fit so much stuff in here. Look at this. And it comes around the corner here. Boom, like that. You see that? And then it's connected to the laundry room. So that's fantastic. So you're not right on the laundry room because your bedroom's on the other side of that wall. But all the laundry get done, hang it right into your closet. I love that. I love that. Fantastic. You come out to this side. Like I said, the primary started over there. We went all the way around. And then you come out here, boom, to the rest of the rooms. Okay, we're just gonna go in here. We're just go in a counterclockwise order. It's another nice size room. You can fit a king size in here if you want to, easily. All right, regular size closet. Let's get the inside here. Boom. Okay. We're gonna come over here to the linen closet, right there. And then dual vanity, regular size sink, tile floor, as you can see. Shower tub combo. All right, then come in here. Another nice size bedroom. It's more like a queen size. You can fit in here. Not quite enough room for a king in there, but the closet. Nice closet. Love that. Okay, let's go to the next bedroom right here. You see, also nice size. You could fit a king in here. You might struggle to have other things in here, but the king could go in here, but more likely a queen size bed. Decent sized closet. All right, let's go outside. leaving the beautiful kitchen and the living room area and coming up to this covered patio area. Once again, they're moving, so there's little, you know, some stuff around, but look at this fenced in area right here. Perfect for fur babies, perfect for regular children. They want to play catch here. You could easily throw the ball around in here without any problems. So yeah, this is nice. So that's 146 Sapphire Circle in Guyton, Georgia. If you have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.